Good evening friends, here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of Bajaj Finserv Limited. You can see the long 5-year chart of the company, how company is showing solid chart, never down very high, never go very up. But now you can see that when the market fall, the stock also fall. But after that the smooth run up, so the company, every small dip is an opportunity in this company. Company is not giving very good big opportunity like big dips. So very solid company. Okay, solid fundamental. Now you can see here the delivery of the company, how company is going in the upside direction. Okay, and now you can see the deliveries is 30-35%. People are doing a lot of trading in this company instead of holding now, but the people who is holding, who are basically multi-bagger. Okay, now you can see the company is paying very low dividend, which is very good sign. Company is basically putting their money into the reserve and surplus, and doing the business a lot. Now you can see here the technical of the company, how the technical, you can say, showing the neutral, now positive. But check with your advisor, technical advisor, before buying any stock. You can see the overview of the finance and finance investment company. You just go into the website, you will see that company is doing a lot of personal loan, home loan, okay, fixed deposit, okay, card, mutual fund, insurance, demat account. So this is actually company done by the business done by the company. After that, you can see that company is having current price is 18,662, market cap at 2,95,000, earning per share is 256, and P 72. P is always high from the industry P. So this guy, you will not see any time the company is going down, something like that. But if you see that overall price to book value 7.97. Okay, dividend is 0.02, and number of shares 15.91, and face value 5. Okay, face okay. So you can see that here dividend deal, face value 5. And now you can see the overall standalone detail of the company. Wait a minute. Yeah, so standalone, you can see is EPS is 11, because standalone business is just about the insurance business. You can see book value is just 238, so price to book value 11.77.86. So you will be surprised why this kind of things is for the standalone, because the consolidated is a combination the all business of Bajaj Finance, and Bajaj Finserv is alone business for the insurance business. Okay, now you can see the fundamental of the company. This is the standalone quarterly. So you will see standalone result is a consolidated result is about this much high, because it is a value showing of the Bajaj Finance. This company Bajaj Finserv is holding 50% stock of the Bajaj Finance Limited. So that's why it is showing this kind of huge return. In the June 2021, the company's sales, overall sales is 13,000 crore, but in the March it was 15,000 crore. EBITDA is also slowly down, but no problem. This companies can give return in the coming years, coming month. Okay, so this is the standalone business of the company. Okay, now you can check the annual result of the consolidated basis. You can see how company's sales was growing every year. Okay, very U and J return. EBITDA is also growing very good. Okay, interest, you can see how companies interest paying. See, interest company will pay, because if you see the business model of Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, so the business model of Bajaj Finance is to give loan to the people. Okay, when the people is giving loan, so that's why company's interest has to increase. If any year the interest is not increasing, you can understand the company will not grow their business, because they have to give loan, they have to pay interest to the bank. So this company is paying interest to the bank, because this is giving loan to the people. So increasing interest for this company is good sign. Okay, it's not a bad sign. Now you can see here the PBT. PBT is also, you can see how company's PBT is also growing. Okay, PAT is also growing even after getting lot of things. Net profit is also growing. You can see ratio, you can see ratio is EBITDA margin is 32 33, EBIT margin also growing. EPS, you can see how EPS is growing 280. Book value is also growing from 1900 to 2000 crore. So everything is growing. Sorry, 1900 to 2000 rupees book value. Okay, now you can also go from here. Ratio, just you have to click on the, now you can see the working capital of the company. Working capital means company is getting money. See, it is showing negative. Negative means company is getting money before delivering the product. Now just you can go into the financial, you can go into the balance sheet, consolidated. We have seen, so we can see that for a particular shareholding fund here, how company shareholder never change their equity capital. Okay, reserve is showing very U-turn here. You can see J curve, it is showing 16,000 crore in 2017. Now 2021 is 35,000 crore, just double. Very good sign. Okay, now you can see current liabilities and current liabilities company will increase, otherwise they cannot pay the loan to the particular people, because they are taking loan from the bank and giving to the people, then people returning money to the Bajaj Finance, and Bajaj Finance taking some money between, then it is growing their business. Okay, and similarly you can see all kind of growth in this company. If you click on, see, non-current asset, company is having 2,47,000 crore is the non-current asset. It's almost near their market cap. Very good sign. Now you can see current asset, cash and bank, 34,000 crore is the cash and bank. Okay, short-term investment 16,000 crore. Very good. So company is growing their overall asset in positive direction. So standalone business, you can see how standalone business shareholding fund is increasing. Okay, current liability is increasing, equity liability is increasing. Okay, our non-current asset and current asset is also increasing. Very positive sign for the standalone business also. So you can see here, this is the profit and loss. Sales is growing every year after deduction of expenditure, interest and depreciation. Company is still increasing their overall PAT. Now it's showing every year PAT is increasing. So this year PAT was 7,368 crore. Okay, now you can see the shareholding pattern here. See how company's management is increasing their position every year. You can see here, just click. Yeah, wait a minute. Yes, you can see the 60.7 was the promoter holding in June 2019, but after that companies increased their position in March 2020, the 60.8, and then you can see how companies increasing their holding. So this is the very large cap company, and still the large cap companies management is holding their or increasing their position is a very good sign. See, FII is not selling single stock, even increasing their position. DII, whenever DII is selling, the FII is buying. See, non-institution is selling, but FII is buying. So how much do you believe FII is having in this company? Okay, business model is super hit. Very good company. You can check the edge report. Okay, future and options. Company is having future and option. Scan, you can check fundamentals. You can say high return on equity, high improved return on equity, improved return on equity, high PE, more than 50, consistent dividend paying company. So very good company. So hope this video help you to understand the fundamental analysis of Bajaj Finserv Ltd. Always check with your advisor before buying any stock. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.